Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Wednesday, April the 27th, 2016. May corn finished the day off 2 1/4 cents today, selling at 3.80 3/4. It looks to me like we're going to be trading sideways possibly for a few days between 3.86 and 3.66. The contract will be stronger above 3.86 and likewise weaker if it drops below 3.66. We do see speculative money and funds being in charge of the price action as far as we can tell. Another good reason why we need to be ready to take advantage of any volatility and sharp spikes in this market with open orders above the market if you're a producer and likewise below if you're a end user. Lock in some bushels if something were to happen and create a spike in the price as has happened in the last few days. December 16 corn was off 5 today, selling at 3.90 1/2. So the deferred months got beat up a little bit more in corn and soybeans than the nearby. May 16 beans were off 3 1/4 today, selling at 10.19. Soybeans ran down to a support level of 10.02 today before closing near the top of the trading range, at least closer to the top than the bottom. We look for the bean contracts to mount one more small move to the top if the May can stay above 960. 969, 968, somewhere in that ballpark. The producer needs to put on sales that include the ability to take advantage of premiums offered. And I know we feel like we're beating a dead horse here, but we can't stress enough how important it is right now to attach those call features to any cash contracts and be able to capitalize on any upward momentum above the level at which you contract that cash sale. July 16 wheat was down 3 1/4 cents, selling at 4.83 1/2. July wheat is by far the weakest of the three commodities that we talked about here today, and wheat needs to stay above 4.68 or we do feel like it is destined to be headed down to that target of 4.40. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Wednesday. We'll talk with you tomorrow afternoon.